Interest rates are dropping fast. Let's look at that 10-year Treasury today. If we look at that over a 5-day period, look at that. It is literally down 10 today. So interest rates should be better. The catalyst is the August jobs report. We only had 22,000 new jobs created, and unemployment ticked up to 4.3%, increasing the odds of a Fed cut in September. Here's the thing, it also increased the odds of a third cut in December and one in October. Here's the thing, you want to take these opportunities when they happen right now. One of the things to think about, and it's one of my biggest fears, is all these big Fortune 500 companies out there, the Googles, the OpenAI, all of these companies that are spending more on CapEx, basically meaning that they're going to be building out more infrastructure in the United States to avoid tariffs, things of that nature. All this money that's going to create a surge, in my opinion, in the economy next year. If that happens, these Fed cuts, that December cut could go away. That October cut could go away. It could be very fleeting on how low interest rates might go. So here's the thing. I am the king of no-cost refis. Super simple. Give me a call. Know what your current rate is. If you've purchased in the last 3 years, there's a high probability that you can save money. You want to check live rates on my website? It's as simple as clicking that and filling out some of that information, and it will literally show you what live rates are. You just click on refinance. We'll put in 800,000, 640 loan amount, 223. We'll go 22310, and we'll click on veteran just in case you want to do a VA IRRRL. And just that quick, you can find out what interest rates actually are live today on my website. It is taking slightly longer than normal, but normally it is pretty fast. So there you are. You want to look at this fourth line down. So a no-cost refi is going to be between 6 1/8 and 6.49. The green is essentially paying you money. Red is paying you points, okay? And you get your VA rates by clicking there also. So those are live rates. Often I have specials that can actually be lower than what is on the live site. Not all my lenders actually subscribe to this feed, okay? If I've been doing no-cost refis since 1996, and if that CapEx spending pushes up inflation in any way, the Fed might not be cutting as much as they're predicting right now. Last time the Fed cut rates in December, rates went up, and we're essentially not back to those levels yet. We are the lowest essentially this year. The 10-year touched 3.99 in April, if you want to look at that. So that's kind of where I expect the bottom to test. And between now and the Fed meeting in September is a crucial time. If you can save 3/8 or 0.5% or more on a no-cost refi, you should absolutely take advantage of it. My name is Kevin Retcher. I'm the owner of First Meridian Mortgage. If you just want a rate quote, you can give me a call. You can check online. If you want to start an application, you can click that green button. It'll take you to the application site itself. My name is Kevin Retcher. I'm the owner of First Meridian Mortgage. Talk to you soon.